Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to cancel Discord subscription. So guys, let's go to your Discord app. Now go to your profile and then tap on Get Nitro. Go back, swipe down, and here you will find the option Manage Subscription. You have to open that and you find your subscription there. Then you need to tap on that Cancel right next to your premium purchase. Then again select Cancel Subscription, and then your subscription on Discord will be cancelled. So guys, that's it. That's how you can cancel Discord subscription very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.